In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove smart chips in Google Sheets. Managing data in Google Sheets is essential for maintaining clarity and organization, and sometimes that involves removing features like smart chips that you might not need. Whether you're tidying up a document or simplifying your data for easier viewing, knowing how to remove smart chips is a handy skill. Let's dive right into it. You're looking at your Google Sheets document and you come across a smart chip that needs to be removed. The first thing you're going to do is locate the cell that contains the smart chip. Once you've got that spotted, you're going to double-click directly on the cell itself. Now what you're doing here is not just clicking to select the cell, but double-clicking to enter into the edit mode. This move opens up the contents of the cell and allows you to interact directly with the selected smart chip. While you're in edit mode, you'll notice the smart chip highlighted. This is your gateway to making changes. With the smart chip highlighted, we move to the next crucial step, removing it. To do this, you'll simply press the backspace or the delete key on your keyboard. This action clears out the smart chip from the cell and restores it to a regular, blank cell. That's it. Quite straightforward, really. By following just these two steps, you've successfully removed the smart chip. Now the cell is just like any other, waiting for you to input data, a formula, or anything else you need. Remember, every time you encounter a smart chip you want to erase, just repeat the double-click and delete process. It's that easy to ensure your Google Sheets data is precisely how you want it, without unnecessary distractions. For a better workflow, remember that practicing these steps will make you more efficient. As with most apps, familiarizing yourself with regular tasks, like this one, will save you time in the long run. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to remove smart chips from your Google Sheets document. This technique is all about making your data management more efficient and keeping your spreadsheets clean and orderly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides to keep enhancing your Google Sheets proficiency. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with another helpful tip for mastering your digital workspace.